Brussels sprouts and cauliflower, onion, fennel and cucumber, plum, pear and papaya, aubergine and saya, lime, lentils and quinoa, oatmeal bread and oatmeal flour, watercress and okra, tofu and sweet pepper.
We often get some crazy ideas. So you see, we are on a low-fat diet at the moment, just to like lower the cholesterol to baseline. So we thought, is there a way to make like sort of a junk food? There isn't much that is like bread-based, that is very low in fat. But I can tell you this much. This pizza crust is sort of low in fat. Same with these burger buns, they're sort of low in fat. And these are some potato-based burgers that are also sort of low in fat as well. So the idea is basically that we're going to make a pizza with burgers as a topic. And at the same time, this pig wants food, so it's basically doing tricks. Look at this. I wonder what makes him think that we got food for him.
Here we are making some vegan oil-free cheese on potatoes, potato water actually, and some natural yogurt. And of course, neutral yeast. And we also add some spices, salt, like paprika, some different peppers, hot chili, just to get a little spice.
Why is there a green light over our kitchen table?
Because it's Halloween!
You put that one up in August.
But now it's Halloween!
First on the burger buns, there's some fermented red cabbage and some other type of cabbages on top that are not fermented. Here are the burgers going on there. Quite easily. Although Honey is very weird in which she doesn't like ketchup, so I'm going to have them sriracha sauce instead. A little bit more spicy, she likes it spicy. Now you probably can tell from my other videos. And add some banana peppers, really sour. That's pretty much that. And these on top. And those two goes on the top of the pizza. This will be really interesting. Well, this is a masterpiece. Let me see if I start here, if that's even possible. I know there is some burger on that piece. Yeah, there we go. You like that one?
Yeah, I can take that one.
At least for the start of it. It's still very hot though.
I mean, beautiful.
Yeah, it's magnificent.
You know, this is definitely the best kind of junk food. Like a combination of a burger and a pizza.
Yeah. Let me see. It definitely works.
Yeah.
I'm surprised. Yeah.
It kind of just tasted like what it is.
Yeah, it tastes
Burger
like
and pizza.
it tastes like burger and pizza.
Yeah.
Basically, it's not only like special, just burger and pizza.
Mm.
Yeah, like I wonder, like Do you like it? That's a little hot for you? Yeah, he likes it. How does it taste like? Burger and pizza? I thought so. Yeah. Okay, tell me what you think. This was very interesting. What do you think?
It was interesting, definitely. I think there's countless of variations you can make of this. So we can definitely do it again, but in a different style and different topics. Yeah.
And if you've tried something very similar, like it's something really strange where you combine different types of food, tell us about it.